Hey, you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell, subscribe so you can get notified when I post another video. Also, make sure that you check the description box below for any information and share this off so anybody else can get this knowledge. And let's get into this video. So before we get into this video, you guys, I know y'all see that I changed my name or whatever, Mirsky Psychic Life Coach. I definitely feel like a life coach. That's why I put that in there. But just wanted to address that, I guess. I didn't really give a fuck about it. But yeah, I thought it was cool to just change the name. We changed the name. It's still Mirsky, but we changed the name. And if you don't already know, Mirsky the Psychic Life Coach here. I talk about manifesting, the law of attraction, where we talk about manifesting your reality and creating your reality. Witchy Wednesdays, where we talk about magic, spells, and divination. And where we talk about Self-Love Saturday, which is loving yourself and being kind to other people and having more confidence. So before we get into the video, you guys, I want to make sure that you check the description box below for any information such as my social media accounts, how to book a session with me, such as my tarot sessions or my coaching sessions, and how to buy any crystal jewelry. It's all down in the description. So in this video, you guys, basically I wanted to talk about setting it and forgetting it. So really with this set it and forget it thing, this is similar. This is just talking about letting it go. This is talking about detachment. This is talking about allowing your manifestations to come in without trying to know the how, when, and the where, and all of that shit like that. Really what you're doing when you're setting it and forgetting it is saying, okay, boom, I got my intention, I know what it is, I'm throwing it out there, I'm putting my positive affirmations, my positive thoughts, my uplifting thoughts, my thoughts that are in alignment. I wouldn't necessarily say positive, but I would say that are in alignment with the reality that I choose to live in. And what am I doing? I'm detaching from it. I'm not trying to figure out how it's going to come about. I'm not trying to figure out when it's going to happen. I'm not trying to figure out all of these things. All I'm doing is remaining in alignment, acting as if I'm experiencing it. So when I'm setting it, I'm doing all of these things that pertain to me being that person, and I'm forgetting about the grip to it. I'm forgetting about the need to have it as much. I'm taking it off of this pedestal and I'm placing it below me because I'm creating this shit to happen. It's not creating me, it's not the other way around. It's I'm making this happen. So when I'm taking it off of this pedestal, I'm allowing myself to be able to experience it, because when we put it on a pedestal, what we're ultimately doing is attaching ourselves to it. What is attachment? Attachment is basically you saying, I'm not already experiencing it. I don't have it. I'm not grateful without it. I cannot live without this thing in my life. Oh my God, what the fuck? What is going on? Why can I not live? Where is it at? That's what you do when you're ultimately putting it on a pedestal and you're believing that it's higher than you. You're believing that whatever this thing that you're trying to manifest is cannot come because you have to constantly, repetitively obsess about why it's not here, basically. When in actuality, it is here because you have everything in the present moment. So if you really think like that, you will shut the fuck up and you will actually know what the fuck. You feel me? Like, and that's the thing. What I'm starting to see more and more people do actually is start to become more believable in the law of attraction and believing in themselves and what they're thinking and manifesting. I definitely have been manifesting that more and more. But I also noticed that this is the thing, when we're trying to manifest something, we hold off on the grip to it. We hold off. You cannot do this and expect this. You cannot try to figure out everything and then want it to come, because the universe cannot bring it to you, because guess what you're doing? You're attaching yourself to it. You're saying, no, I cannot live without it. Damn it, what is up? So what you have to do is come at it from a position, like I said in my other videos. If y'all ain't check out my other videos, I know the cards up there is definitely telling y'all to slide y'all ass on to them other videos. What I talked about in the previous video was obsessively thinking, and I feel like I have a card up there. So if you've been obsessively thinking thinking about your manifestation, I want you to check out that video that's up there. That'll be linked above with the obsessively thinking, because that's a problem that we have when we're trying to manifest something, is trying to grip to it and believe that we have to put all our attention towards it and think about it so heavily, when that's not the case. Set it and forget it. You detach yourself from it. You realize you are creating it. It cannot happen without you. To put it in simplest terms, the easiest thing that I would say about setting it and forgetting it is trust. What you have to do is have faith and trust that it will come to you. And what do you put your trust in? That's what you need to ask yourself. What do you put your trust in? Do you put your trust in yourself, God, Buddha, this computer that's over here? What do you put your trust in? Do you put your trust in believing that you can manifest it? Do you put your faith in knowing that it's going to come? Trusting it is the biggest thing that you can give yourself when you're letting it go. That's the major, and then you already got it. It's already here. It's already here. But you guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell so you can get notified when I post another video, because I would definitely love for y'all to come back again. Also, if you like this video, please make sure that you share this off to somebody else, and comment down below an affirmation that you would like to say to yourself. And also, buy any crystal jewelry if you can, by any chance. Buy that bitch up, you guys. Definitely share my Etsy shop with other people, and book a session with me, because why the fuck not would you not want to talk to me? No, but you guys, I'll see you in the next one.